Samsung Galaxy folding screen mobile phone has launched 4 generations of products, and Samsung's own folding screen technology is becoming more mature. According to the latest news, Samsung is considering purchasing screens from Chinese manufacturers for folding screen mobile phones. Samsung Electronics is currently discussing informally with BOE about the cooperation of folding screen mobile phones, which is interpreted as choosing price competitiveness in the external uncertain competition. Previously, it was said that BOE would be responsible for the panel of Samsung Galaxy M54 and Galaxy Watch 6. The latest news means that BOE may get the order of Samsung high-end smartphone for the first time. According to the latest report, at present, the two companies are secretly discussing the process method, panel thickness, and finished product verification time. Considering that Samsung is currently in the stage of development capability verification, Samsung will not increase the proportion of BOE panels in the short term, but it is significant that the trend changes during this period. The source said that if the discussion made progress, BOE panels might be installed in the Galaxy Z Flip, Z Fold 5 and later Galaxy Z Flip, Z Fold 6 series expected to be released in the second half of this year.